Hi, I'm Jack Morano. I'm the Director of Signature Prosthetics here at Absolute. If you are interested in creating true artistry and becoming one of the best in the industry, working with only the top clinicians in the country, this position's for you. You will work directly with me under full mentorship in my signature division. I'm willing to share everything that I've learned in my extensive career to help you become one of the best in the industry. I'm looking for passionate dental technicians. We have ceramist and CAD design positions available in our state-of-the-art facility located in Chapel Hill, Raleigh-Durham area of North Carolina. We offer full benefits and a very competitive wage package in a true family working environment. If you think you have what it takes to become one of the best in the industry and part of my advanced restorative team, click the link below. I look forward to talking with you soon.